Hi children, in this drawing class I will give you very easy method to draw the beautiful drawing, and then just you need to follow the steps. The step by step you need to follow. I will teach you very easy methods, and then you know the numbers, and then with the one number you should able to draw one number in bigger size, and then that you can convert into the drawing. Very simple. On the top you draw keep one dot, and then in the middle of the page, if you divide like this is the middle of the page. So write your one number into this size. This is the one number. What is this number? One number, right? So with this one number I'm making the boat. Okay, so you extend this line till here, extend the line, then this line you connect to this, right? And then from this corner to here and from this corner to here you extend them slanting lines, right? Then after that don't draw this one. Then from here water waves line you start doing. Okay, so it will give that some boat, some part it is there inside the water. It's look nice. The next line also you need to follow the same method. How, like this line will go up, then down, up and down, up and down. It has to come same way, and the next line also it has to come the same way. Then after this the boat line is there, no? Here draw one more line, and then keep here 3 circles. Then here you draw one more curve line, and then draw one more line. So here one design will come, then here one more line, here one more line. Then after that here you can keep some flag. You can keep our national flag, you can keep, right? Then after this draw the sun. While doing the sun, after drawing this the circle, what you will do? Down, up, side, left side. Then in the middle one more, here then you have to draw this line from the circle to outside, not from outside to inside. From the sun light is coming, that is why from the sun circle we have to draw the line out, from here to out, from here to out. This is small ones, bigger one, and then in the middle and the small size strokes kind of you have to give. Then after that here draw one cloud, and then do this, and then small cloud, see, half circle, extend like that, and then draw. And then here, so this one is the beautiful drawing. This the drawing is completed. Okay, so now after this you have to take one black sketch pen and then trace on this whatever black this drawing is there, drawing line you need to follow neatly, or exactly on the pencil line it has to come. Follow that the step by step. So from here exactly on the pencil line you draw the sketch line or marker or whatever you having. If you don't have any marker or sketch pen, after coloring you can draw outline, you can give with the black color. That option also is there. But before that, if your sketch pens are available, you can use it. If you don't have such kind of the marker or sketch pen, use it after black color after coloring. And then like this the same method you need to finish. Like this way you need to finish the black outline. exactly on the line it has to come. Slowly, perfectly observe and then do. Then after finishing this once, you can start coloring part. So take the oil pastels or wax crayons or whatever you have in colors, you can follow this. And then now this is the boat. I'm taking this for boat red color. So first coloring part you need to follow the border there. Okay, what you have to do, border you need to fill neatly, not to go outside, not to go outside of the black line. It has to come neat and perfect. To do slowly and observe, not simple here and there, simply doing that. And then direction also you need to follow the horizontal coloring. This is the horizontal panel, horizontal only you need to color. Your crayon has to go move here, not in this direction. Okay, then after this I will take the brown color. So for the brown color I'm taking this border, see. So first around this completely till where it has to come brown color, that full area you need to color. After doing like this and still anything is there inside, that one also you mark it outside. Then after finishing them you need to start coloring slowly, step by step. You have to observe and then neatly, slowly and perfectly you need to color. So this one is going to finish. Then after this brown color I will take your yellow color. I am taking yellow color, and then blue color I am taking. These two colors combination I will give here. So yellow color in this part, and then in this, and then in this, then blue color in this, and then this. So while doing coloring, what you have to do, follow the border and then not to go outside. Slowly, first you finish this yellow ones. First you have to do only light colors, you have to finish. This one is the light color, that is why you finish this. Follow the border neatly. After completed this border, entire this area, which area you need to complete, then you fill the color, right? So this you finished, and then now blue color, so such a small areas, very careful, and then you need to take care of that, not to go out. So now we are for the sun, what color? Yellow. So yellow color we are giving. Then after that outside the orange color, you have to give the stroke kind of the lines. Just you spread the orange color. Then after finishing this, what you do, what are the next our flag colors? Orange color, then in the middle white, then next the last one is the green color, then in the middle one is the blue color, chakra. Okay, right, the small area, small point you have to go. Then here blue color you need to take for water. Blue color, take the blue color water. So first you need to follow this line, exactly this line you need to follow. Entire this till end you follow this, then color, complete the color. So in this way need to complete the coloring part. Then after this we'll take a light blue color for sky. Light blue color we'll use for sky. So from here you need to take care of the line and then follow this, and then here next this one is the water part, then boat, then this, and then sun and clouds. Rest of the area is this, the white one is the sky. So for the sky color I am using light blue color. For the water I was taken dark blue color. So now follow the line neatly, and whatever the things are there in the middle also. For example, cloud is there around this cloud, let it be white. The clouds will be visible into the white in shade, so that is why around, without touching the orange color, just around that you take the blue color. So around this blue color it was taken. Then after that around the flag. Then next just simply we need to follow the border. The black line we have given without confuse. Small area is there, that one also I am filling. So without giving any gap you need to follow this. So when you are using the black color line, it will help you to follow perfectly. Then after that just the cloud also you go with around this neatly, outline kind of filling color. Then after this you start coloring into this way, only horizontal, you can't go standing. See, the sky will spread like this, no? Horizontal sleeping kind of sky will be spread. So the sky way you need to color like this way only. Okay, you finish it neatly and slowly. It should be the coloring even, not somewhere dark, not somewhere light. So the coloring part should be perfect, even, not to be dark and light. It should be even, smooth, and nicely you color it. And then while coloring, enjoy it. See once how it is coming, how it is sun, how it is the clouds, how it has come. When anything is wrong, everything is correct. So it is coming beautiful. Enjoy and nicely you color it. So you have to follow this step by step. This area finished, and then up to down you have to give the coloring up and then down. You have to come from the top to down. So already we has given this border, so no confuse, and then no this thing, no problem to do the areas. Such kind of the areas will not disturb you. So now it has completed the shade coloring part, the sky part, and then finally you have to go with the black color. Whenever black color you are using, at the finish, the last moment you need to apply this the black color. For the circles I am giving black color. Those are like windows, those are the long side, it will be black in color. So here I am giving, people are there in that. So black color why we are using means, in the long side we'll see the people like this one only. That is why small size just will give the black color. Then this the birds are flying around the sun here and there. This V shape kind of, okay. So V shape, V shape, very simple drawing. And then I hope you enjoyed a lot, and then very beautiful drawing. You try it, very easy. It is not at all difficult to do. And then like it, and then thank you.